Okay, so in this topic, we're going to be talking about expanding and simplifying brackets. But in this regard, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction. It's going to be a little bit more difficult than just addition. But if we just follow these steps right here, it's literally going to be our Bible. It's just going to be a lifesaver. So if you just remember that plus and plus equals plus, plus and minus equals minus, and minus equals plus, and this just applies to just everything that we're going to be doing. So it'll literally be your holy grail. So just remember that and it'll save your life. So remember, expanding means that you're going to multiply whatever is within the bracket with whatever is in front of the bracket, and this also applies to this other side. So 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by plus 4 is plus 8. Positive 3 multiplied by positive 2x is plus 6x. And 3 multiplied by negative 5 is going to be minus 15. Because if you remember the rule here, it's a negative. Okay, so now we're going to simplify. So we're going to be looking at this and this. So 2x plus 6x is 8x. And plus 8 minus 15. So if you struggle with negatives, especially at the beginning, it's actually a really useful idea to use something like a number line. So if we start off at 8, and if we go minus 15, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that equals minus or negative 7. So 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 2 is going to be negative 6. Positive 2 multiplied by 2x is positive 4x. And positive 2 multiplied by negative 1 is going to be negative 2. So one thing I actually want to mention is that if you struggle with simplifying, especially at the beginning, you can just do this neat little trick where you just kind of convert it over here and you just do 3x plus 4x minus 6 minus 2. And it's essentially the exact same thing. You'll get the exact same answer. It'll just be a little bit easy to read, especially if you're slightly struggling. So 3x plus 4x is obviously 7x. Minus 6 minus 2. So if we look over here, so it's going to be 1, 2, and that's minus 8. So that's your answer here. 4 multiplied by 2x is 8x. 4 multiplied negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 2 multiplied by 3x is negative 6x. And negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 is plus 2. So 8x minus 6x is 2x. And minus 4 plus 2 is going to be 1, 2. So that's minus 2. Alright, so I've got some questions for you to try out, so just pause the video and when you're ready to see the answers, play it again. Here are the answers. So one thing you might have noticed, especially in the first question, is that I replace the x with an a. So don't be fooled by this, it's the exact same principle. It's literally like having an x. And another thing that you might have noticed, especially in the last two questions, you might find that a little bit of trick questions is that I added a y and an x. So when you made your calculation, you might have struggled a little bit, but in this regard, you literally just add the x and the y together. And the same with the last question. Again, you add the x and the a together. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. In terms of getting better at maths, please do lots and lots of practice questions, lots of past papers. That's literally the main way that you're just going to be basically just become super good at maths. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.